Hey there, Psychofacts fans. Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of seduction? In the next 5 minutes, you'll discover the surprising ways women use their voices to attract men. From the breathy voice to the husky tone, we'll dive into the science behind vocal cues and how they can make or break a connection. So, let's get started. When it comes to attraction, research shows that vocal cues play a significant role in conveying interest and intent. Women use their voices to signal attraction, build connection, and even manipulate perception. In fact, studies have shown that vocal cues can be more important than physical appearance in attracting a potential partner. Let's dive in. Women may use a higher pitch or more melodic tone to convey playfulness and approachability. They may also use pauses or softening their tone to create a sense of intimacy. This can make a man feel more comfortable and build a sense of trust. The breathy voice, a softer, more airy tone, can convey vulnerability and femininity. This can be especially attractive to men who are looking for a nurturing partner. On the other hand, the husky voice, a lower, more raspy tone, can convey confidence and sensuality. This can be especially attractive to men who are looking for a strong and independent partner. The playful pitch, a higher, more melodic tone, can convey playfulness and flirtation. This can be especially attractive to men who are looking for a fun and lighthearted partner. But vocal cues aren't just limited to tone and pitch. Women may also use volume, cadence, and articulation to convey interest and attraction. For example, speaking more softly or slowly can create a sense of intimacy and build connection. In addition to these vocal cues, women may also use language patterns to convey interest and attraction. For example, using more open-ended questions or actively listening to a man's responses can create a sense of mutual interest and build rapport. Let's explore some examples. Expert insights and examples of what women find attractive in men or what draws them to men based on psychology and relationship research. Number 1. Confidence. Women are drawn to men who are self-assured and confident. Number 2. Emotional intelligence. Men who can understand and validate their emotions are attractive to women. Number 3. Sense of humor. A good sense of humor can be a major turn-on. Number 4. Authenticity. Genuine and authentic men who are true to themselves are attractive to women. Number 5. Empathy. Women want men who can understand and support them. Number 6. Ambition. Men with goals and passions are attractive to women. Number 7. Kindness. Women are drawn to men who are kind and caring. Number 8. Physical attractiveness. Physical attraction is a natural aspect of attraction. Number 9. Intelligence. Women are attracted to men who are smart and can hold interesting conversations. Number 10. Vulnerability. Men who can be vulnerable and open with their emotions are attractive to women. Keep in mind that every woman is unique, and what attracts one woman may not attract another. These insights are generalizations based on research and should not be taken as universal truths. In one study, researchers found that women who used more vocal cues, such as a higher pitch and softer tone, were more likely to attract a potential partner. In another study, researchers found that women who used more open-ended questions and active listening were more likely to build a connection with a potential partner. In conclusion, the art of seduction involves more than just physical appearance or personality traits. Vocal cues play a significant role in conveying attraction and interest. By understanding these cues, we can build stronger connections and navigate social interactions with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, Psychofacts fans. If you found this video insightful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on psychology and human behavior. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And if you want to learn more about the art of seduction, check out our next video, 5 Secret Signs She Likes You, Top Signs of Attraction Explained. See you in the next one.